Welcome to the future of travel. Let's explore this incredible motorhome.
Imagine you're driving down the highway, and suddenly, towering over everything else, a three-story glass-walled mansion rolls past you. Not a bus, not a tour coach, not even a yacht. This is something the world has never seen before, and it comes from a name you already know, Coachmen. This isn't just another luxury RV. This is a palace on wheels, a yacht on land, a private jet with tires. The Coachmen $20 million triple-decker RV is the first of its kind, and it's not just raising the bar, it's destroying the concept of what a motorhome even is. So buckle in, because over the next few minutes, we're taking you inside one of the most outrageous machines ever built, a floating mansion on wheels that makes mansions, jets, and super yachts all look outdated. From the outside, the first thing you notice is size. Nearly 90 feet long, almost 45 feet tall. This thing doesn't just sit on the road, it owns the road. Coachmen has wrapped the body in aerospace-grade aluminum reinforced with carbon composites, meaning it's both lighter and stronger than any RV ever made. The finish? A liquid pearl titanium paint that changes shade as light hits it. In the day, it gleams like crystal. At night, LED tracers ripple across the surface, giving it the look of a futuristic starship cruising the highway. And then, there's the feature that truly separates it from every motorhome in history. It's amphibious. With the press of a single button, retractable pontoons deploy from the body. The wheels lock, the suspension tightens, and suddenly, the Coachmen RV transforms into a floating mega-yacht, ready to glide across lakes or calm seas. Yes, this is why they call it the floating mansion on wheels. Now step inside. Forget everything you thought an RV interior should be, because you're not entering a camper. You're walking into a grand two-story foyer. The entrance opens with Italian marble floors, polished to a mirror finish. A floating staircase of glass and steel curves upward, lit by LEDs hidden under each step. Overhead hangs a chandelier. Not just any chandelier, but one that automatically adjusts its glow based on the time of day. Smart glass surrounds you. With one command, the walls turn transparent, flooding the space with natural light. Another command, and they turn fully opaque, giving instant privacy. Even the air is customizable. Scent diffusers shift the fragrance with your mood. And then you're faced with a choice. Take the spiral staircase, ride the hydraulic glass elevator, or step onto a floating escalator that quietly rises to the first deck. The first deck is where this RV starts to feel less like transportation and more like a private luxury residence. The lounge is dominated by posture-adaptive sofas that literally mold themselves to your back. The wall comes alive with an 85-inch OLED theater screen, paired with a 16-speaker Dolby Atmos surround system. It's not a TV, it's a cinema on wheels. Around the room, touch-sensitive walls display digital art when idle, or transform into full panoramic windows at your command. You're never looking at blank walls. You're surrounded by experiences. But what truly sets this level apart is the kitchen and spa. The kitchen. Think Michelin chef level. Dual induction ranges. A refrigerated wine wall. A smart fridge that predicts your grocery needs and orders them via satellite. And yes, robotic dishwasher arms that scrub and sanitize without human help. At the rear of the deck, luxury turns into wellness. A full spa, complete with sauna, steam room, rainfall shower, and even a robotic massage chair that scans your spine and adjusts pressure points in real time. This isn't a pit stop. It's a health retreat on wheels. Take the glass elevator to the second deck, and you enter a world of privacy and comfort. There are 3 suites in total, each styled like a 5-star hotel room. Plush bedding, ambient lighting, smart controls for everything from curtains to music. But the master suite is where jaws drop. The king-size bed rotates automatically to face the sunrise, wherever you're parked. The walls can project any skyline in the world, from the Paris skyline to the Tokyo night lights to the snowy Alps. Step into the ensuite bathroom and you're standing on heated marble floors. A soaking tub with gold-finished edges rests in the corner. The mirror in front of you? It doubles as your AI assistant, ready to pull up news, weather, or even your personal schedule. And then there's the Sky Lounge, a massive glass-walled living room with 360-degree panoramic views. The ceiling can transform into a starlit galaxy display or retract completely to reveal the actual night sky above you. A retractable grand piano rises out of the floor. A cinema projector drops from the ceiling, and a mini bar glows in the corner, stocked automatically based on your preferences. This isn't just a lounge. It's a floating observatory for billionaires. And now, the crown jewel, the third deck. The rooftop opens up into a private paradise no other RV could ever dream of. A heated infinity jacuzzi bubbles at one end. A transparent bottom pool stretches across the center, letting you swim while watching the road glide by beneath your feet. On one side, a helipad that doubles as a drone launch pad. On the other, a rooftop fire pit lounge surrounded by smart safety glass that blocks the wind, but not the view. Imagine this. You're parked at the edge of a desert canyon. You're sitting in a jacuzzi. A movie is playing on an 8K projector. Flames flicker at your side. And just above, your private helicopter waits, ready to lift you to the next destination. This isn't camping. This is science fiction luxury, made real. But here's the thing. It's not just about looks. Coachmen engineered this beast to move like nothing else. It runs on a hydrogen-electric hybrid drivetrain producing over 2,000 horsepower. That means nearly 1,000 miles of range on a single cycle. It self-drives. It self-levels. It can tackle off-road terrain. And when parked, it deploys hydraulic stabilizers that make the entire structure feel like it's sitting on solid ground. And because billionaires need protection, security is next level. Bulletproof smart glass, 360-degree drone surveillance, biometric facial recognition at every entry point, and in panic mode. The entire vehicle turns opaque, the AI locks down all systems, and defense drones deploy. Oh, and did I mention the garage? At the rear sits a hydraulic bay that houses a custom electric hypercar. 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, ready to launch the moment you want to hit the road in style. So how much does all of this cost? $20 million. Yes, it's more expensive than most private jets. Yes, it's pricier than most yachts. But here's the difference. This palace can go where no mansion, no yacht, and no jet can. Want to live on a mountain peak? Park it. Want to float on a lake? Deploy the pontoons. Want to wake up in the middle of the desert, under the stars, in your own infinity pool? Done. This isn't just about travel. It's about freedom. Freedom wrapped in glass, steel, and luxury that only Coachmen could deliver. So now the question is yours. Would you live in this Coachmen floating mansion on wheels instead of a house, a yacht, or even a jet? Drop your answer in the comments. Smash that like button if this machine blew your mind. And don't forget to subscribe, because the future of motorhomes isn't coming. It's already here. And Coachmen just redefined it forever.